In this video, we will show you how to update the firmware on a BMC card. First, you will need to download the firmware update file from the Lenovo support site. Next, log in to the BMC Remote Management Console on the host computer. In the menu on the left, navigate to Maintenance, then Firmware Update. Click Choose File to attach the firmware update file and click Start Firmware Update. You will be given the option to preserve all configuration settings or edit preserved configurations. When you're ready to continue, click Proceed to Flash at the bottom of the page. A prompt to continue will show at the top of your screen. Click OK to continue. After the firmware has been verified, select if you want to do a version compare flash or a full flash, and click the Flash to Proceed button. When the flash is complete, close the current session of the BMC Remote Management Console and open a new session after a couple of minutes. When you log back into the BMC Remote Management Console, you will see the new firmware version on the main dashboard. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit support.lenovo.com.